Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and I'm looking today at a very important book. It's actually published by Bloomsbury Professional, and it's called Confiscation Law Handbook. It's this book here. We're going to look at it in a minute. It's written by Adrian, Eissa and Ruth Barber, and I think it's a very important work for a number of reasons, which we'll go into. We've written a review which is on the web and will be sent to the journals and so forth, and we've given it a title as a quote, "Stripping Wrongdoers of Their Ill-Gotten Gains, a handy guide for practitioners in court." And that's really what this is about, because it's very much in keeping with modern concepts about how we deal with confiscations. Because at the end of the day, we don't want wrongdoers to profit from their crimes, putting it bluntly. So if you're a practitioner preparing a case involving confiscation law, or representing your client in court, or even producing a skeleton argument or counter-argument, then this book is for you. It's written by practitioners, for practitioners, from those involved in this area of law for the first time to those who've been there and done it before in what is a challenging arena. This is the book itself. It's quite a heavy one. That's the front cover, Bloomsbury Professional, you can see on the side there. That's the back cover as well. You can see the book itself. There's actually quite a detailed index which you can see at the back, and then what you've got are 3 appendices dealing with the criminal procedure rules in particular, and also the Magistrates' Court detention and forfeit of goods rules, and also you've got guidance, which I think is extremely useful for prosecutors. The book also is very much in keeping with the standards that we expect, with paragraph numbering at the sides and detailed footnotes, which gives you some idea of what we're really looking for. There are some tables of cases as well, and right at the front it's well worth having a look at the foreword, which gives you some idea of what this book is really aiming at in what is a modern era, basically. As I said, do read our review in some detail. It's quite a long review. Basically, the book, as I see it, is aiming to complement rather than supplant other available texts in this area. And as the title indicates, it offers a practical guide for the busy practitioner, enabling him or her to handle quite quickly how we deal with confiscation law issues and what the continuing developments in this area are. So with this handbook to hand, you can quickly identify the cases, and the conflicting cases of course as well, which are relevant to your particular argument. You can also see the sources that are there. It is our view certainly that barristers, solicitors and legal executives, not to mention investigators such as border agency personnel and the police, will find this a very useful, concise guide and highly indispensable for their uses. The publication date was August 2011, and I'm recording this in the autumn, now that we're basically having the launch of the book and seeing how much use people can make of it. I know they will find it extremely useful. So thank you to the authors, Mr. Eissa and Miss Barber, very much, and to Bloomsbury Professional for this book. We want it, we've got it now. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.